Let's see what happens here. Where do we pick it up where we left off? All right. Let's see. I want to make sure. Hopefully everyone can see. I'm logged off of Wi-Fi and a bunch of stuff. Let's see where we are at on the upload. Okay, still uploading this. Hide that. All right. So, this trend line I was talking about, this bumper run, to be aware of. So yeah, I hope you guys marked this out. I just, before the video ended, it stopped. If you can follow this, just be in log mode, go to the high time frame chart, and just follow this line down. When you do this, lock this in place, people. Just copy mine. If you don't know how to do that, go to this top left corner right here. Click this first one, trend line, and just follow it along, just like that. Real easy. Try to remember mine. You want to hit the top of these wicks, include all those in. Once you do so, I want you guys to go down here and click lock. You can label it, and then click this alert right there. Set yourself in a recurring alert, okay? And we don't want to be on the 2-day chart for this. So what we're going to do, once you make your trend line, guys, this is important. Go down to the 5-minute chart, okay? I want you guys to go down to the 5-minute chart for this. Now, you have to zoom out a little bit, so because I'm not going to be able to see it. I want you to see how far away this is. You may have to do it on the 15. Okay, there's our line right there. I know it's crazy. It's so far. It's all the way up here though. So what you're gonna do is once you see this green line, initially, just come down and click it right here again. Same thing, and just click your little box right here. Re-click this. Okay. See, even I messed up on this. Watch. I'm gonna stop this for a second. Let's see. How do I stop this? I'm just gonna delete this alert and make a new one. Watch. Delete the alert. Re-click it again. Now we're on the 5-minute chart here. So I'm going to do this once per bar. Every 5 minutes it's going to go off. Because I need to be notified of this price action when we get here. High time frame, bump, and run. Okay. Very important. Now it's locked in place. Look what I can do here. I can come over here and just hide this. So, looking at where we're at here, just hide it. It's always, I don't like stuff always in my way here. I don't know how this happened like this. My most important stuff I keep at the very top. Got a little disorganized in my my time off. These are all my yeah, I gotta get organized later. Here's my, oh my, man, yeah, it's crazy. So slacking. All this. I want to see what the accumulation of all this is, guys. It's absolutely insane what we have here. Okay, and this is why we keep all this. It's so crazy. It really is. And yeah, my computer might fry if I don't turn this off. You can't fry 60 gigs worth of RAM in a Mac, though. I mean, it's $8,000 computer. Doubt it's going to happen. So, bought at what? I got a, yeah, who is messaging me? You are, what is it? Which one? FTM? Okay. I'm live streaming now. Screen sharing. I will show you levels in 5 minutes. Join me now or wait for the replay. I will post via YouTube link in chat. Okay, let's get back to it. Sorry about that. Alright, so yeah, we have to get rid of all this stuff, but I'm going to keep these current though. All these other levels, turn these ranges off, and I'll get rid of this bumper run pattern. So here we are, and I was on the bumper run. Just wanted to show you guys that much. Let's close. Let's get local on this. Let's get a little crazy. 17,120. And you know what's crazy about where we are now? It just does apply. No problem. I will post the levels to trade at after video. Should remember. If not, message me again. Alright. I've seen enough to the upside, downside. These are levels to levels here. And I want to show, people are probably scared of Bitcoin. I mentioned I want to show the downside. Alright, so to the downside, we got to get out of this chart here. People, alright, here's the chart we got to go to. Bitstamp chart right here. Alright, I'm going to open this. Oops. Did I do it? BTC. I don't know where it's at. It should be in here. I think I have it listed as something else. I don't know where it's at though. I have such a crazy list. Really, it's ridiculous. Come on. Where is it at? Normally it's at the top of stuff. Oh, it's taking so long. Sorry guys. Sorry. Stay with me. BTC. Is this it? No, it's not. Of course. I'm just going to go. F it. I'll tell you where I'll find it at. I'll find it in this chart. Here we go. We'll just do a whole new craziness. There. Okay, apparently it's already in it. Wow. High time frame, guys. High time frame. Alright, so this is the oldest historical Bitcoin chart, ladies and gentlemen. So what we have here. Ignore us. Let's just start fresh. Close it. Move it all. To the downside. So why am I in this chart? Well, it's pretty simple. We don't have nearly the price action history that the USDT pair has on Bybit. You know, look what we're looking at here. We're only looking at. We're just looking at. I mean, it's 9-day compared to what we have to work with here. You know, that's nothing. So. And I wonder why I can't add this to, maybe I have to do this. Okay, now they're both here. Alright, so, okay, so this should, I thought I had this labeled freaking green, oldest. So, from where we are now, you know, everyone's saying, no, 10,000. Yeah, 10,000 is nice and all. But I want to show a couple levels here, a little bit of TA. I'm going to be posting some levels here, and you can look over to the right and label if you want. Do your thing, but everything I mark here on the right is really important. Okay, yearly and whatnot. So just bear with me. I'm not going to go too down far because we'll never get that far for a while, in my opinion. I'm going to go to the quarterly chart here, and here's where this gets really interesting, people. Okay, we have a level here. Very interesting level there. Okay. And I want to show this level here. I want you guys to see something here. Alright. Hopefully it's out of the way. Let me get that out of the way. So I'm putting out these levels here. These are levels that have been respected here. Each of these candles stands for a 3-month period. So it's really important to note that in 3 months, here, so 6 months. So this is 9 months, and this over a year price action at the body of this wick right here. I'm sorry, not those two. Ignore those two. 3 months. We have 1, 2. That's a year. So for a year and a half, over a year. You know, so we have from March of 2019 all the way until February, March. May. Okay, so that is October of 2020. That is such a long time. Now look at this candle body here, people. So what does this mean? Why is this? So price failed to close above this level. You know, it's so crazy. It may not seem much to you guys, but price failed to close above this level on 2 separate months here. Okay, on two separate months, 6-month period. On another 3-month period. It almost touched the top of this level, but it seemed like it was rejected. So we have strong resistance here. Okay, and I know I don't normally walk out levels that are untapped, but I just want to show this. This is an old quarterly level, and I'm just going to label this as a strong area of. So not only do when I find a really strong area of confluence, I'll post a horizontal line, and I just have a special thing for it called key. And this level is what that is, key. And to be honest with you, it doesn't do enough justice. I mean, really, this needs to be like bolded 12 key, and I want this bad boy to be. That's better for me. I'll even change the template on that. How about that? So this level is very key. And why is this key? So a little bit of stuff to show you out here. So couldn't close above it. Tapped them down. Finally, on this month here, this is such strong resistance. Once we broke through this, this is now flipped to support, okay? I'm not going to go so far back into small time frames and show how, but once it closed above, you can see this is now flipped to support. But the cool thing here is we haven't even tested this down. So when resistance is broken, it's flipped to support most of the time. When support is flipped, it's flipped to back to resistance. And so we have a massive high time frame level here, the 3-month chart, the quarterly chart here that hasn't been tested for this old area of resistance, which is now strong support at 10,000, okay? And so I want to show why 10,000, why, in my opinion, people think, oh man, it's going to go below that. Dude, good luck. So watch this. So if I take this volume profile pull, let's see if I can recall this. So we have one confluent, really strong horizontal level here, okay? And see if I can remember how to do this. I'm trying to recall this. I'm going to say it's this. Hold on. Bear with me. Sorry. Bear with me. Okay. There we have it right there. Dang. It gets even better than that right there. I'm trying to recall this. Hold on. I just want to analyze this area volume, so I don't need this extended. Oops, sorry. I meant to have this right there. That one over. Let's see if this is the one. I think this is it. There it is. Okay, cool. So this is going to be called not extended. Okay, so this value here high, look where it is. I mean, look at that. That's so, to get acceptance down to this range, you have to go through this value area high of this range. And it's right in confluence with this level at 3% away. And then on top of that, man, guys, I think that we have a, damn it, I can't remember. I think we have a fib level. Okay, so check this out. I want to say we have a fib level here. I'll show you where it's at. I think that was it. That's it right there. Yeah. I think I pulled it from the monthly. No, I think I pulled it from the yearly. From one of the yearly weeks. I want to say this 6.6 was pulled from. That's it right there. There she is, boy. Hold on. Yep, there she is. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So I pulled it from the impulsive local wick right here. This is our most impulsive candle for this. Right here. If we pulled it from down there, it wouldn't be so. So at 11,679, you're going to come and contend with this area. Will we get down here? Who knows? Really and truly. So this alert needs to be clearly set way before that so this is 11,609. I'm thinking a whole 1,000 above that. Maybe at 13,000, put that level alert on right here. And I'm going to go ahead and mark this level as be aware of key, especially at the 618. So that's 11,609. 11,006. We're going to go 700, so I'm going to affirm on it. Because some people don't know what the champion channel is. So I like to write myself notes on this. I'll just do ... True long opportunity bottom of this at 10,290. I'm gonna front run the shit out of this by this right here, personally. Let's see, 10,500 for me, and low leverage. Let's go ahead and save that. All right, there's our alert on that. That confluence, those three confluences right there. So that's just 3 at that level. So I'm gonna go ahead and just might as well lock this, set an alert, just do it. Create all this. I'll lock this and hide it. And show you some levels even before that, and I'll go ahead and lock and hide this as well. That way I can get a little organized while I'm at it. Create a group. I can't type for shit today. Okay. Those are going too. Alright, so that's high time frame on that. But there's more. There's more before that. Plenty before that. Okay, we're at this area right here. Oh, by the way, guys, all that shit I did was on log mode. It's really important to know. I just see, it's so crazy where we are right now. We have these wicks. And I haven't done analysis on this in a while, and I'm glad I am. I wish I could mirror some POCs. Actually, I don't want to risk this going anywhere. I'm getting a new tab. New window completely. This is still uploading. We'll just hide that. We're going to go to extra charts right quick and just look at a couple things. I don't know if we'll have, let's see, on the monthly. I'm being retarded. Watch this. So I have all these, I have a ton of levels on this chart here. They're hidden. Let's see. I'm going to open all my historical levels, MPOCs. Okay, yeah, that's good. These are, I haven't updated them in a while though. Chart downside. Where we at? Right. Okay, I see it. Where's my fucking price line at? Odd. I'm just not seeing it right now. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Too much up. Oh well. My old setting back. There we go. It looks orange to me. 6. We have a 4-hour low below, blah, 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 but that's nothing. We're talking about below this. So we have a naked point control. So you'll see, we ain't shit really below this. 13,185 is a naked point control. It's also an old wick right here. That doesn't mean there's not a whole lot of support there. We have level, so I just wanted to check my old stuff first before getting into this one, because we'll find some stuff here. Some fib pools. Okay, that's what we're going to do. I want to do on the monthly, what's this? That's our $10,000 level, so we're going to go below that. You can tell this is a nice respect here. Look at all these bounces from here. I mean, fell through. Finally breaks through the 618, back tested as resistance. Breaks through again. The 6.6 holds it up like a champ. Comes back down. Doesn't even close below the 6.6 here. What a fucking respectful motherfucking TA this is. Comes back up. I mean, just beautiful. This is clearly a fib pool level that I want to make aware of. I have my Fibonacci different than a lot of people. A lot of people, I'm just toot my own horn of this and give all the credit to chart champions and all that. Everyone out there doing Fibonacci levels, you're not doing it right. I say, I'm in tons of trading groups, whatever, with a lot of great traders. And man, these guys, they don't know what these levels represent or whatnot. In my opinion, I feel like hardcore CC pool members, we do, But everyone else, they probably got some knowledge about it, but this is just a level I'm looking at here. And why I put this one on here, because I'm just going to say this. And I don't like having a ton of fib levels. I really don't. But this is a level I'm definitely saving, because it's clearly respected here. And so I'm going to look at this on the downside and see what we have here. We have anything that lines up with that one? Nope. You know, it's really funny to me that we have this next lower candle here, and it lines up perfectly where we pull our last one at. And people would probably think this is just coincidence. Well, I'm here to tell you there's no coincidence. It's Fibonacci's. I don't know what it is. It lines. It's insane. It really is. I think this is a respect level. I mean, look, we just pulled the 618 from here. So let me backtrack and show this one more time, real time. Okay, and if I might, I want to change the color of this so you guys can see this in a good time. I'll just make this purple so we can see something else. No, it needs to be something where you can see another one. So I'm pulling from here. All right, up to the top of that high. So this overlapping the one, you know, it's not for no reason. I can promise you that there's a reason behind it, and it's just confluence, and it's how the market is. Let's take a look at this low up to the high, and look at these confluences we have here. So, how about this impulsive candle? Let's find out. I see a lot of respect here. Look at this. It's almost like I mean, look at the fucking respect here. It's insane. So, do I want to think Bitcoin's going to go that far? I doubt it. I truly do. And that is just a beautiful thing there. When you have the 6-6 line up with a 6-1-8 of two different pulls. So we have a pull here. Where's this one at? Candle below it. Yeah, but whew, I'm done with Bitcoin. I'm over it. I'm freaking over it. How much time do I have left in this Pomodoro chart? Not much at all. I'm gonna just get started on FTT, and I'm not sure where it's even traded at. You know, it's on Binance still. Okay, it's on BUSD. Is it on? I don't think it's offered in. Where's it offered at? I'm guessing this is the oldest one, maybe. FTT is. I guess FTT is no longer on. I guess for good reason. So, KuCoin. I'll just do those. How about that? So let's see. I'm trying to find the old history on it. What did you say in the chat? Let's see. Okay. So I don't know what that means. Is that euros? Trying to see what this guy's level. Check him out, see what his level is, see if he has bad buys and whatnot. But it's getting close to the time. I wish I knew. I know we had a level that had a downside to the wick. Because I fully can't. I want to be able to find it. Do we have anything? Okay, so we have some fast history here. Let's add this one. Add this one. Because I know there is. It matters with finding the oldest history. So that way I can freaking see if anything. There we go. See, look, we were missed out on that one. Yo, that's a Bitcoin. That's a good one. That's another good one. Probably our most local one. Any other USDT ones? Oh, there should be. CoinNext. I'm so proud of you. Mark our oldest historical ones with pink. So cool. All the rest are dead to me, except for the Bitcoin pair right there. For this. Damn. Well, it's my second phase now, so shoot. That sucks. I wanted to hop into this. Almost don't want to quit. It's get two Fibonacci pulls here. That's it. Just two. That's it, man. Ooh. One last thing. Seeing what the 86 says here. Ooh. Alright. Saving. In video. See you on the next one. This is part 2 of the Pomodoro.